Hello children, hope you all are good. Today we are going to see subtraction related to story sums. Okay, the balloon seller had 8 balloons. He sold 7. How many are left? See, balloon seller had 8 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balloons he had. In that 7 he had sold. So you have to cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 if you cross out. How many will be left? 1 will be left. So that will be the answer. 8 balloons he had and 7 he had sold it out. So you are subtracting and how many are left? 1 is left. Same way, Tara had 10 crayon. She used 4. How many more left? She had 10 crayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 we have wrote first. Next, how many crayons she used? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 crayons you have crossed out. So how many crayons are left with Tara? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are left with Tara. So you should write 6 as answer. See here, subtraction, how many more? How many more? Mala has 8 balloons. Anil has 3 balloons. Mala has 8 balloons. Anil has 3 balloons. How many more balloons does Mala have? Mala have how many more than Anil? See here, you can match like this. 1, 2, 3. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are left. Like this also you can do. Other way you can find out by subtraction. Subtract the number of balloons Anil has from the number Mala has. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. 8 in your mind, 3 on your finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5. So Mala has 5 balloons more than Anil. In this way also you can subtract. You can match like this or else you can subtract using your fingers, mind and fingers. Next, see, similar to that we will do this sums. Jose has 4 chocolates. Tara has 3 chocolates. How many more chocolates does Jose have? Now we have to do the subtraction. See here, Jose has 4 chocolates and Tara has 3 chocolates. So you have to subtract this. 4 in your mind, 3 on your finger. Before 4, 3, 2, 1. So how many are left? 1 is left. Again, you can do it in this way. See, by matching. 1, 2, 3. How many are left now? With just 1 is left. See here. Either this way or you can match and you can find it out. Okay, similarly, we will do this sums. Ali caught 9 fishes. Dinu caught 5 fishes. How many more fish did Ali catch? See now, Ali caught 9 fish. Dinu caught 5 fish. How many more fish did Ali caught? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we have matched. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 are left. So you can write 4 as answer or else you can write like this. 9 minus 5 equal to how much? 9 in your mind, 5 on your finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 4 is your answer. Okay, so see here 1, 2, 3, 4 is the answer. So how many more fish did Ali catch? 4 more fishes he catch than Dinu. Okay. Deepa picked 8 flowers. Seema picked 3 flowers. How many more flowers did Deepa pick? So Deepa picked 8 flowers and Seema picked 3 flowers. So if you subtract 8 in your mind, 3 on your finger, before 8, 7, 6, 5. How many more she picked? 5 more she picked. 5 more she picked. See here. 1, 2, 3. 3 is matching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. So how many more Deepa picked? 5 more Deepa picked than Seema. 5 more Deepa picked than Seema. Okay. Now we will do subtraction related to subtraction, all types of sums. Okay. Now we will do subtraction 1 to 10. Subtraction 1 to 10. Related to that, we will do the sums. See here, subtract by crossing out. First, we will do subtract by crossing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. How many we have to cross out? 2 we have to cross out. 1, 2. 2 if you cross, how many will be remaining? How many will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be left. So you will write 5 as answer. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas are there. How many you have to cross out? 5 you have to cross out. So, how many you have to cross out? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 if you cross out, how many will be remaining? 1 is left. 1 is left. So, you will write 1 as answer. Same way. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 stars are there. 8 stars are there. How many you have to cross out? 5 in that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 if you cross out, how many will be left? 1, 2, 3. 3 will be left. So you have to write 3 as answer. Next, totally 10 leaves are there. 10 leaves are there. So how many you have to cross out? 9 you have to cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 if you cross out, how many is left now? 1 is left. So you will write 1 as answer. Okay. Next. How many carrots are there? 7 carrots are there. In that 3 you have to cross out. 1, 2, 3. 3 if you cross out, how many will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are left. So you will write answer as 4. Okay. Next. 8 subtract in your mind. Okay. 8 in your mind. 3 on your finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5. Next. 9 in your mind. 6 on your finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 7 in your mind. 5 on the finger. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next, 10 in your mind, 4 on your finger. Before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Next, same way, this is horizontal method. This is vertical method. Okay, now 6 in your mind, 3 on your finger. Before 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, 9 in your mind, 4 on your finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6. So 6 is the answer. 10 in your mind, 1 on the finger. Before 10, 9. 5 in your mind, 2 on your finger. Before 5, 4, 3. You have to count backward. For subtraction, you have to count backward. Okay. 7 in your mind, 4 on your finger. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So for subtraction, you have to count backward. As I have told in my previous video, you have to know the backward counting. That is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you know the subtraction, using mind and finger is very easy. Okay. See here, while subtraction, you should be very careful. 9 minus 4. Again, I am doing 9 minus 4. You should not do the silly mistakes. Okay. 9 in your mind, 4 on your finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5 is your answer here. Okay. Before I have written 6, it is not correct. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 in your mind, 4 on your finger. While counting backward, you have to be very careful. 9 in your mind, 4 on your finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. Next, Joe has 10 balloons. How many balloons? He has 10 balloons. Okay. In that, 5 of them burst. How many balloons does Joe have now? Joe has 10 balloons. 5 of them burst. So, 5 of them burst. So, you have to subtract. 5 of them burst. So, you have to subtract this. Okay. How many balloons does Joe have now? So, what you have to do? You have to subtract 10 in your mind. See, we will subtract 10 in your mind, 5 on your finger. Before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 5 is your answer. How many balloons does Joe have now? He has 5 balloons now. At a birthday party, Neetu ate 6 sweets and Rakesh ate 5. Neetu ate 6 and Rakesh ate 5. Who ate more sweets? How many more? So see here, Neetu ate 6 sweets. Okay. Rakesh ate how many sweets? Minus 5. 5 sweets he ate. So how many more Neetu ate? We have to find out. Okay. So you have to subtract. 6 in your mind, 5 on your finger. Before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1 is the answer. So how many more sweets Neetu ate now? 1 more sweet Neetu ate than Rakesh. Okay. 1 more sweet Neetu ate than Rakesh. Rakesh Neetu ate 1 more sweet extra. Next, mental maths. You have to calculate in your mind. Mental maths means you have to calculate in your mind. If 7 apples are taken away from 8 apples, how many are left? See, from 8, if you take 7, how many will be left? 8 less 7. How many? 1. Okay. Simple way. 8 and 7 are next numbers. So how many numbers are different in difference? How many are different? 8 and 7, if you calculate, how many numbers will be different? Only 1. So 8 in your mind, 7 on your finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 apple. How many are left? 1 apple or left. See, 8 next number is 7. See, this both are next numbers. So 1 difference is there. So that one you can write. If 9 sweets are taken away from 9 sweets, all the 9 sweet goes means how many will be left? 0 sweets will be left. So same number, if you subtract, 0 will be the answer. Okay. Now from 9 sweets, if you take from 8 sweets are taken, 0 will be answer. All you are taking. So nothing will be remaining. So 0 will be left. If 0 pencils are taken away from 5 pencils, how many are left? See, 5 minus 0, 5 will be left. Okay, from 5 pencils, nothing we are taking. So, all will be remaining the same. So, 5 will be remaining. Any number minus 0 will be the same number. This also you should keep it in mind. What is 1 less than 10? What is 1 less than 10? Before 10, what? 9. 1 less than 10 means before 10, you have to write. Okay. Next, what is 1 more than 8? More than 8 means you have to tell after number. After 8, what will come? 9 will come. Okay. So you have to add 1. More means you have to add. Less means you have to subtract. Okay. What is 1 less than 10 means 10 minus 1 you should do. What is 1 more than 8 means you have to add 1. More than means you have to add. Less means you have to subtract. Okay. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Less means you have to subtract and more means you have to add. Okay. I hope you all understood how to subtract in different methods. Okay, children, we will see in the next session with a different topic. See you. Bye-bye.